Discover a rare opportunity to own one of Pretty Lake's most distinguished waterfront residences. This three-bedroom estate, featuring 2 full baths and 2 half baths, is perfectly positioned on a double lot with sweeping panoramic views, offering seamless blend of privacy, sophistication, and resort-style living. From the moment you arrive, you're welcomed by light-filled, flowing spaces designed for both grand entertaining and quiet retreats. The open concept kitchen and living area are beautifully complemented by expansive windows that flood the home with natural light. The finished lower level extends the living space, creating the perfect setting for hosting gatherings or unwinding after a day on the lake. Outdoors, the property captures the essence of lakefront living with an expansive shoreline and multiple terraces, ensuring breathtaking views from every level. Lush, professionally landscaped grounds provide the perfect finishing touch. If you're ready to start your mornings with peaceful lake views and coffee in hand, call Tyler Donner today.